So next type of operator is logical operator. In this logical operator we have AND, okay, we have AND, and then is OR, and then NOT. So these are the three operators. Let's go to the programming window and see how these will work. Generally we are going to use expression to execute these kind of logical operators. The result gives always, the result always gives true or false. Now here is the scenario. What you see right now here is a equals to 7. I assigned 7 to a variable a, similarly 6 to b, and 7 once again to c. So we have three variables a, b, and c. Okay, so now I'm going to use AND operator. What you see right now in the orange color, and you see OR in the orange color and NOT in the orange color. So these are the logical operators. Let's see how exactly the print a less than b. This is one expression. This is called one expression. I'm putting in the comment that a is value of 7, b is value of 6. So 7 is less than 6, always 0, always false. It's not right. Okay. So what exactly the condition says in the AND, if the expression, both expression, for example here, both the expressions and both the expression and 0 gives the false. One expression 0 and another one is true, even though it is gives the false. One is for right and another one is a false, that also gives false. Another one is first one, the last option here, the first expression is true and the other expression also true, then only it will give true. Let's see how exactly it works. You see here the one expression 0 and another expression 0, the results is 0. Okay, one expression 0 and another expression is true, still it shows 0. And one expression true and another expression 0, that also gives false. So one expression is true and another expression also true, then only true. It means AND operator will help only when both the side expressions gives the true answer, right answer, then only it will give the true. Let's see how exactly it gives on the programming window. Now a less than b is always 7 less than 6, false, and 7 equal to 7, yes, true. But what you see right now here, you see the second is false, because one is true, one is false. In the go to the third expression here, a equal to c, 7 equal to 7, that is fine, it's true. And 7 is less than 6, no. Okay, so what happens here is 0, so the false result here. Now 7 equal to 7, the fourth expression, 7 equal to 7, and 6 is less than 7, yes, right, this is also right, this is also right. So both 1 and 1, so always true, so the result gives the true. So that is the expression of AND. Let's go to the OR. What exactly the OR gives? Okay, let's remove this one. So OR gives like 0 and 0, always 0. Okay, first expression gives 0, second expression gives 0, so the result is always 0. So like that. so 0. Now one expression 0 and another expression 1 means true. It gives always true. If any one in this shuffling values true, here 1 true and second one is 0, it will give true. Even though if it is 1 both side true, always it gives a true. So here this is the result. Let's go to the programming window and let's see how exactly it going to work out. Now you see the here print a less than b or b greater than c. A value is 7 and b value is 6. 7 less than 6, no, false. Or 6 greater than 7, no, false. So both are false condition here. It gives the 0 result, so that is the false here. Okay, next question here. Next, a less than b, that is 7 is less than 6, no, false. 7 equal to 7, yes, then it's always true. You see the conditions all below true, all are true, because any one condition satisfies here, makes a true value. But going to the next logical operator, that is not, where it exactly reverses the result of true. That's it. Okay, and whatever we are writing here, whatever typing here, all in front of that, if you put not like this, not, then that expression, if it is true, really it is a true, and it makes it false. So now in this case, you see here 7 is less than 6, false. Okay, or 6 less than 7, sorry, this is not the right one expression, it should be greater. So my concern, sorry for that. So here this is also false, this is also false. Okay, and results gives the false, but we are putting a not here, then it gives the true. That's what it is showing true here. So this is how the logical operator works. Okay, that's it about all the logical operator in the Python. Let's continue to the next content.